First of all, press Run Script File TB Element. Now press Create Project button in script. You must insert Google Map link in our script. Press Get Maps button. If you doesn't provide any link, Google Maps will be opened automatically. Find your location. Now you must switch Google Maps to schematic view. Copy Google Maps link and paste it to Terrain Builder script. Press Get Maps button again. Now will be open necessary maps. Hide map you can save, use right mouse button. You can save Google Maps using special browser plugin named Fireshot. Save all necessary maps to your hard disk. OK. Now use Terrain Builder script to upload this maps to After Effects project. Now project ready to generate 3D terrain in Cinema 4D. But first of all you must save After Effects project. Now you can export data to Cinema 4D. Maps will be automatic upload into Cinema 4D, and run in After Effects mode. You can immediately export this terrain into After Effects, using special export button in Builder C4D, or, you can edit this terrain using few simple parameters. Also you can use custom spline shape to change terrain form. For example, I will draw spline, but you can use anything method. Switch to top view and on guide terrain option for place your spline. Warning: spline must be closed. Just drop your spline in special field. You can edit terrain shape after applying this operation. Another script feature is custom mask image. OK. Now all ready to export this terrain into After Effects. Just use this export button. Now switch to After Effects project and link terrain to Element 3D plugin. Right-click to red object and relink it. OK. All ready to import GPX track and place any 3D or 2D objects inside After Effects. Thanks for watching and good luck.